falling on my ear.
Hello, this is your musician friend AK coming at you with the songs that you love to hear and play. Today's song is In the Garden, and we're playing Marvin Sapp version. And guys, you know what? That's in the key of C. And this was requested by Aaron. Thank you so much, Aaron, for giving us this awesome song to work on today. To kick things off, I have my water. On today, this is alkaline water. Is good for your body. I would love it if you go to your favorite refrigerator, open it up, grab out your favorite beverage, head on back to your favorite keyboard, sit down and learn with your favorite musician / instructor in the whole wide world, me, AK. You know, many people have asked me, how can we donate to you? And I want to give you the chance right now to just hit that thanks button. The thanks button right there. Bam, I see you just hit it. That thanks button, give me a donation. Guys, I really appreciate it. All right, guys, let's get it. We're in the key of C. That's C, D, E, F, G, A, B, and C. Of course, this is numerical melodies. We have to run through that with our numbers. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1. Guys, we have the awesome Marvin Sapp in the building. He has decided to come through to the numerical cave to join us and share his awesome gift with us. And let's do as we always do. Let's go ahead and crack our knuckles, stretch them out, and I think we're ready. Let's get it. Marvin Sapp.
I come to the garden alone while the dew is still on the roses, and the voice I hear falling on my ear, the Son of God discloses. He speaks in the sound of his voice is so sweet that the birds they hush, they're singing, and the melody that he sings to me within my heart is still ringing, and he walks with me and he talks with me and he tells me that I am his own, and the joy we share as we tarry there, none other has ever known.
That was In the Garden by Marvin Sapp. To all my numerates, let's take this time out and count our numbers. Easy song, guys. We're going to get through it. So we're starting out with I come to the garden alone. All right, let's just stop right there. So we're on our 1 and we're playing our C added 2 chord. going to our 5, and we're playing this nice big gospel chord here. We resolve. It's like a G with the added F right there. We're going to our 1, and we're playing a C dominant 7 chord, going to our 3. And right there on the 3, we're playing this nice chord here. Next part. While the dew is still on the roses. All right. All we're doing is we're playing an F major chord. That's on the 4. Going to our 5, regular G major chord. And then we're going to our regular C major chord on the 1. I like to do this nice movement here. All right, let me give you that. So what we're doing is we're playing our 2 C's. Not the C in the middle, but the C on the end, the C on the end, and we're playing the middle. All right, what is that in the middle? We're playing B and a G. We're playing an A and a F, F and a D, and then G and an E. All right, the next part is, and the voice I hear falling on my ear. All right, let me give you all of that. All right, so we're on the 2. We're playing our D major chord, going to our G major chord on the 5. I hear. All right, we're going to our 7, and we're playing a G dominant 7 chord, falling on. I'm on the C major chord on the 1. My ear. All right, what did I play? I'm playing on the 7. I'm playing my F diminished 7 chord, going to, the A minor chord right there on the 6. All right, the next part. The Son of God discloses. All right, what is that? What is that? All right, we're playing the Son. We're right here on the 2. We're playing our D sus 4 chord of God. Now we're on our 5 flat, and we're playing a regular D major chord. Disclose, right? So right there, we're playing a G major chord on the 5. We're going to our 6, and we're just walking up. That's an F major chord. Now notice I didn't play my left hand. I'm just playing my right hand. Right there, we're playing a G flat major chord. Now we're resolving right here on a 7 with a G major chord. And he walks with me, and he talks with me. All right, let's stop right there. So we're playing this nice gospel chord. This is a very nice gospel chord. Grab it. It's almost like an F diminished 7. Instead of playing that D, we're playing that E, right? And he walks. We're on our 1. We're playing a C major chord with me. We're going to our 3. Same C major chord, just inverted, right? And he talks. All right, what is that? We're playing. It's a very Disney chord right here. All right, we're on the 3 flat, and we're playing that Disney chord. All right, now we're on our 2, regular G major chord with me. Going to our 5, same G major chord. And he tells me that I am his own. Guys, all we did right there was a 2, 5, 1 progression. We're playing 2 chords. We're playing an F major chord on the 2, F major chord on the 5, and regular C major chord on the 1. Let's do our turnaround. All right, I'm on my 5. I'm doing that gospel turnaround again. And the joy we share as we tarry there. All right, let me give you all of that. So we're on the 1. We're playing a regular C major chord on our 1. I'm doing this nice gospel turnaround here. I'm pretty sure you've heard that before. We're on our 6. That's a regular C major chord. We're on our 6 flat, and we're playing a regular B major chord. Going to our 5, B flat major chord. Let's resolve right there with our C dominant 7 on the 1 as we tarry there. All right, what is that? That's just a regular F major on the 4, going up to our 5 flat with the E flat diminished 7. None other shall ever know. Right? Alright, let me give you all that. None other. We're on our 5. That's a regular C major chord. Next, we're just playing a 7-3-6 progression. That's 7. Right there on the 7, we're playing this chord. Going to our A flat diminished 7. Right there on the 3. Ever known. A minor chord on the 6. Got that. Grab it. That's a C dominant 7 on the 5. Grab it. We're on the 5 flat. Going to the 4. And we're playing this nice F minor 6, I want to say. None other. Playing a 5, a C major chord. Playing our F6 right there on the 5. It's off with the G dominant 7. No. And that's right there on the C major chord on the 1. I hope this was a blessing for you. Awesome lesson. Today's life lesson is don't miss your moment. I'll never forget the day I was walking through a busy outdoor market with my family. As I held my aunt's hand, I looked down and saw a $100 bill lying clearly on the ground. I tried to get her attention to stop, but she told me to keep moving. Moments later, someone else swooped in and grabbed it. Money I'm pretty sure wasn't even theirs. That moment taught me something powerful. Opportunities don't wait. If you don't act, someone else will. Whether it's a job, a dream, or a chance to speak up, don't stay silent. Don't hesitate. Be bold, be alert, and be ready. Your next breakthrough might be right at your feet. Awesome job, guys. Let's give ourselves a hand. Thank you so much for coming in, joining us on today. And thank you, Aaron, for giving us that awesome song. Please suggest more. And guys, you also, please suggest more. And you know what? This is the time of the video that I tell you that we are on the road to. Yep, I heard you say it, 1 million. We are on the road to 1 million. And also for almost reaching 2,000. Guys, I really appreciate you. I appreciate you sharing this awesome information, getting the word out, getting this to your friends, your loved ones, your musician buddies. I appreciate it. Meet me over at Facebook. That's Numerical Melodies on Facebook. That's me playing all of the songs I love to hear and play, and hopefully you do as well. And go ahead and suggest a song to me. That's viewers' requests, of course. Guys, Numerical Melodies, viewers' requests, go and check it out. Hit that bell because the video that is new is coming right to you. And right next to that bell is a subscribe button. Guys, it takes 3 seconds. I promise you. I would love it if you can hit it in 3, 2, 1. Bam! I see you just hit it and you just hit the bell. Thank you. You have just made my day. I appreciate you. And you're not just playing the music. You are the music. This is AK signing off.